Now focus on question. Question look like this one. Primary side, assume an ideal transformer, Thevenin's equivalent voltage and impedance is seen from the terminal x and y for the circuit in given figure. Now take circuit look like this one. This is, suppose that this is I2, this is I1, 1 ohm, sine of omega t, N1 is to N2, 1 is to 2. Voltage across this is E1, this is E2. According to transformer, E2 divided by E1, this will equal to N2 by N1. Everyone know that. This is 2 by 1. E2 this will equal to 2 times E1. Any doubt? Now, first case, Thevenin equivalent, VTH. What is the process of VTH? If you want to VTH, this is open circuit. If this is open circuit, it means I2 this will equal to 0. I2 this will equal to 0. This voltage equivalent of this voltage, this is VTH. VTH this will equal to E2. E2 this will equal to 2 E1. E1 this will equal to 2 sine of omega t. This is 2 sine omega t, VTH. Now focus on RTH. Again, concept of RTH, voltage circuit, short, this one, I1, I2, now circuit, this is RTH, this is X, this is Y. N1 is to N2, this N1 is to N2. What is K? N2 divided by N1, this is equal to 2 by 1, this is 2. This is primary side and this is secondary side. If this one refer to secondary side, then what is the impedance of this circuit? This is look like this one, K square into R. This is E1, E2, 1 is to 2. This is RTH. Then RTH this will equal to K square R. K this will equal to 2 का square and R is 1. R is 1. This is 4 ohm. Which one right answer? A is the right answer. Now see another question. Question number 2. The switch SW shown in the circuit is kept at position 1 for a long time at t this equal to 0 plus the switch is moved to position 2, assuming V01 is greater than V02, the voltage VC across the capacitor is, first one, draw the, look like this one, this is R position 2, V01, this is V02, this is resistance, this is the capacitance, this is 1 at t this equal to 0, voltage across capacitor VC, this is R, this is R, this is R. Now solution. At t less than 0, at t less than 0, switch at position 1 for long time, so capacitor is open circuit, capacitor as open circuit because capacitor at steady state. Now circuit look like this one, V01 R plus minus VC0 minus, voltage across look like this one, VC0 minus this equal to V01, voltage across capacitor at steady state t less than 0 पे कितना मिला, V01. Now at t is greater than 0, switch move one position to 2 at t is greater than 0. Now circuit look like this one. Suppose that current is IC, that time current flowing through this circuit is IC. According to KVL, apply KVL, plus V02 plus 2 RIC plus VCT, this will equal to 0. Now Laplace transform V02 by S plus 2R IC S minus VC S, this will equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now IC, this will equal to C dVC by dt. This will equal to Laplace transform ICS, this will equal to C S into VCS minus VC 0. ICS, this will equal to CS VCS minus VC 0, this will equal to V0 1. Putting this value, this is equation number 2. Putting this value in equation number 1. Putting this value in equation number 1. V02 divided by S plus 2RC IC IC 2RCS into VCS minus CV0 plus VCS, this will equal to 0. Solve very carefully. V02 by S plus 2RCS into VCS plus VCS minus 2RC 0, this will equal to 0. 1 plus 2RCS into VCS, this will equal to V02 by S plus 2RC V01. This is minus, this is minus. Now VCS, this will equal to 2RC V01 divided by 2RC S plus 1 minus V02 S into 2RC S plus 1. Any doubt? Now look, V01 divided by 1 S plus 1 upon 2RC minus V02 common 2RC S plus 1 upon 2RC V01 upon S plus 1 upon 2RC minus V02 divided by 2RC divided by 2RC because of 1 upon 2RC. This will equal to V01 upon S plus 1 upon 2RC minus V01 divided by S plus V01 sorry, V02, this is V02, this is V02, divided by S upon 2RC. Taking Laplace inverse transform. This is VCT, this is equal to V01 into e to power t by RC, sorry, 2RC minus V02 plus V02 into e to power minus t by 2RC. VCT, this will equal to V01 plus V02 into e to power t by 2RC minus V02. How to check this is right answer or wrong? At t approach infinity, capacitor again open circuit. This equation Vc infinity, this will equal to V01 plus V02 into e to power minus infinity minus V02 minus infinity, this is equal to e to power infinity. It means this is infinity because value of E is 2 to 3, 2.31 something. It means 2.3 के power infinity. This is infinity. This is equal to 0. That's why 0 look like 0 minus V02. It means Vc infinity, this will equal to minus V02. How can check it? Now, from circuit, capacitor again. This is Vc infinity. Moving again KVL plus V02 plus 0 plus Vc infinity, this will equal to 0. That's why Vc infinity, this will equal to minus V02. It means I am going to right direction. The right answer is this one. Not matching for any 4. Maybe some mistakes in question, that's why not matching. But according to question, right answer is this one. Question number 3. Set 2. Very interesting question. The total power the total power dissipated in the circuit saw in the figure is 1 kilowatt. Now circuit look like this one. This is the capacitor. Again, this is the capacitor. This is Vc1. This is Vc2. This is R1. This is equal to 1 ohm. Current going through. This is 10 ampere. Voltage across this one. This is V. 200 volt. This is load. This is R XL. This is load. This is AC source. The voltmeter across the load reads 200 volt. The value of XL is now total power dissipated in the circuit is 1 kilowatt. P total is 1 kilowatt, मतलब 10 watts. P total. Now this is load. R1 resistor dissipated power 1 ohm times power dissipated. This will be equal to I1 square R. I1 is 2 का square into R. R is 1. This is 4 watt. This is 4 watt. And out. So rest of the power 1000 minus 4 996 watt. Any doubt? 996 watt. Suppose that load is R, remaining power, this will be equal to current flowing this load is 10 ampere. Current flowing through this load is 10 ampere. That's why I square IL into R, this will be equal to 996. R, this will be equal to 996 divided by 10 square. This is 9.96 ohm. Now voltage across load is 200. Impedance across load, impedance ZL is equal to 200. Sorry. Suppose that this is VL, load voltage upon load current. This is 2 divided by 10. This is 20. the value of XL. ZL square, this will be equal to XL square plus RL square. XL is, R is, I don't know, 9.962 whole square. XL under root 400 minus 9.96 to the whole square. What is the value of this one? 17.34. This is 17.34 ohm. This is the right answer. So finally got .34 ohm. This is the right answer. This is the right answer.